So now, since we were talking about the other integration options in the part 2 of this video series, so we have other cloud integrations also possible with the JDBC and the ODBC drivers available within Snowflake. You can connect to Oracle, MySQL Server, Teradata, or some other clouds, right? To integrate the data from the source to the target Snowflake tables. So how do you basically transform the data and extract the data and then load the data into the Snowflake? So we have different objects in Snowflake. So what you can do is basically this is one of the basics of one-time catch-up and real-time ingestions. But then before coming to the batch ingestions, we have to understand what are the basic objects available. So what you can do is, let's say you have an on-premise database, basically a Teradata or PostgreSQL or any SQL server, wherein you are storing your data, and now you can stage those files using the internal or external Snowflake stages. So internal is something wherein if you have already loaded your dataset to the Snowflake internal stage, that means the Snowflake file system, and then from there you can access that file to further load it into your target tables by creating a table objects and the schema similar to your dataset or your file, semi-structured file or structured which you have loaded. For example, you have loaded a CSV file with 5 attributes like name, age, product, category, product, date, and product time of purchase. So you have defined those data types as well in your target tables, similar to the data types defined in your sources. And now through the stage you are trying to load it to the target. Okay, then Snowflake in the data warehouse storage, it is very fast and scalable BI and analytics, and you can also perform share live with real-time data analytics with clients. Then you have a flat file system wherein you can load it to the raw data mix and modernize your databases. And then the other cloud integration, you have structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So structured data is something very specific, which is in a tabular format or specific rows and columns. So semi-structured, like I mentioned, Snowflake has 5 semi-structured data types which you can load, like in CSV format, EBRO format, PACWID format, ORC format, or XML format. Alright, and then unstructured data is something which we call and which we want to access, like the documents or the text in PDFs or like images or videos or some other data, right? So you can also process and extract those information and data in unstructured format, loaded to your stages, respective stages of the respective cloud, or through the internal or external Snowflake stage, and then further use that stage to load the data into your specific target tables in your Snowflake database and data warehouse. So consolidate data silos to reduce cost and complexity. This is one of the advantages which we have here, and then you can further use it for the analytical purposes using Power BI. Now, after just loading is not the one purpose. We have to define a strategy for continuous data loading and continuous data loading and batch ingestion. So here we have the facility copy into command, wherein you can load your entire file just by putting copy into command to your target table. So here Snowflake provides a Snowflake connector for Spark and Stream Data Library in a continuous data capture fashion. CDC logic, we usually call it as for continuously updating your tables so that you do not miss anything, right? So there are sophisticated ways. Either use the third-party tools which are available, like the ETL tools for data ingestion, for creating your data pipelines in a traditional format, in the traditional manner, and then getting a data job. Or you can use the Spark streaming, or you can use the Python using Snowpark. So we'll discuss that further before doing that. This is the traditional one of the action versus transform comparison using cloning databases. There is also a facility of cloning the databases in Snowflake. So you can clone a data and you can also share it to your reader account, or you can create a reader account for your specific user. So if you want to share it with Snowflake, with some stakeholders or some business users, you can just create a view on top of your database. You don't need to share your actual database. You can just create a user account for that through the data sharing on Snowflake, and then you can share your data, or you create a top level view for their analytical purposes or for your clients, right? So this is a general database, this is your original, and this is the transform database.